Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox, or in this case unbag, the Homga drone's landing pad for, of course, the drone. I'm going to use this for the Evo 2. It's supposed to be very good, very sturdy. We'll see. Just go ahead and open this up. Now it does have reflector strips that you can put around the edges if you want to do so, which I may do that. It also comes with three spikes, and the spikes have little hooks on the corner, so you stick them in the ground and you can help keep the landing pad down if it's on a windy day. Oh, a nice little zipper case. Open this up. Now it is spring-loaded, so to speak. Boing! Now we do have to take the packing cover off. Okay, we got blue on one side, and we have orange on the other, as you can see. So orange and blue. All right, and of course you do have the wings here that you can go ahead and put these under the ground, tie them down, which I think is really neat. We have a little scratch-off game. It says, "See happy friends swimming." All right, scratch to win a prize. Let's see if I won a prize. Dun, 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 dun. It says, surprise, surprise, I have a $10 off on the next purchase. See if we can put this thing back together in. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Now put this back in here. Zip it up. And actually it has room, I think. Yeah, it does. It has room to actually fit these in there. Just be careful not to, push it in. And just for safekeeping, I'm going to put the strips in there, because I will probably put the reflector strips on later. There we go. Look at that. Now I did get this on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put a picture of one of these corners so you know what you're looking for when you're on Amazon. In fact, I'll even put a link down below if it's still active, the one that I bought. Well, thank you for coming along with me for unboxing the drone landing pad. And as always, have a great day.